Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Nick from BaldyOutdoors. If you're a regular and have watched my videos before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about the media mod. This was given to me at Christmas by the missus. Mentioned it in the past couple of videos. I think it was my Ringing Roger video where I said I've got one, and I knew I had one, but I wasn't allowed it till after Christmas. I'm hoping you can hear me. I've got a new media pod coming, but it's for Christmas and the wife won't let me have it. But there you go. So yeah, we're going to talk about that. I'm going to go through the specs, what it can do, bits you can connect to it and stuff like that. So yeah, let's crack on. So the media mod is compatible with the GoPro Heroes from GoPro Hero 9 all the way up until 13. I've got a GoPro Hero 10, which you can see there. So it is compatible with that. And obviously now we've got the GoPro Hero 13 out at the minute, and it is compatible with that as well. So here you have the media mod. Here at the front we have the directional mic, which runs the full depth of the media mod. On the side here you've got a spare mount, and on the top you've got a mount as well. So if you want to put a light on there or a couple of extra lights, you can do so. So there you've got the mod button, or mode button, sorry, not mod, mode button, and the on and off button for your GoPro. And then just like the side panels of the GoPros, you just pull that down and then you can lift that up. Okay, so inside you can just see the USB-C connector there. Obviously when you slide the GoPro in, it will connect to that. So on your GoPro, oops. So on your GoPro, if you take this bit off, because it's clipped on that bar there, you can obviously unclip it off. Take your mod, get your GoPro, because obviously you've got the USB-C port there as well. Make sure your battery's in properly. And then you get the GoPro, make sure you use it going in properly, doesn't snag on anything, and then just give it a little squeeze in there, close the side hatch, make sure that's locked in place, and then there you have it. There is your GoPro in the media mod, and it's connected now via that USB-C port that was in there. So if I turn this on now, so you'll see now on the bottom there that it's already connected with the GoPro, because now I'm talking, this mic is picking me up. Testing, testing, testing. So already that mic is operational. You don't have to do any funny settings or anything like that. This mic is now operational. Look at that. 95% battery, that's first. Right, so this media mod also comes with a removable windscreen. Okay, so it literally, you've got a little tab there. So when you put it on the mic, you'll feel it snugly just fit in there. So there you have your wind protector there. And if you don't want it on there, that little tab just sticks out the back there, and you just clip that and it comes off. Okay, put that back on for now. This wind protector is only useful with wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Anything higher than that and you might have a bit of wind noise. So there's your mode button. So if I press that, it should work. There you go. And then there's your record button. So just here, I'll take this off again actually because you can't see it. So just here you have got 3 flaps. So if I click this one open, and you've got a 3.5mm external mic port there. If I click this one, you've got another USB-C port there, and then this top one is a micro HDMI port. So you can do a fair bit with this. I'll get my mic adapter and I'll put it in the stereo jack bit, or I'll put it in the USB-C, just whatever is your preference really, and whatever mic system you've actually got. So I'll set that up now and then I can show you what it's like. Actually, first off, I'm going to press record on this, and then I'm going to show you how good the mic is on this. So we're now on the GoPro, and you are listening to me via the mic that's attached to the media mod. I'm just going to put the wind muff on just to test if that makes any difference. That's on properly, so now it's got the wind protector on it, or wind muff, whatever you want to call it. So that shouldn't have made any difference really. It's only obviously on there to protect from the wind gusts. So yeah, this is the media mod without any of the mic adapters like I've got on my phone here. We are going to put this on there in a minute. This one is for this mic here. But yeah, we'll put that on the slots that I showed you a second ago, and then we'll give that a good test in a minute. So it probably sounds a bit different now because I've obviously turned this off. So, well, not turned it off because you can see it's clearly on, but you know what I mean, I've took it out the phone, so it might, sound quality might be a bit different. So if I flip that open with my lack of nails, there we go. So if I put that in there, apologies for the shaking of the finger. All right, so that's now on there. So if I go to the menu, go across, preferences, mods, media mod, line in. Right, so now that's still on. That's now connected to this GoPro. Now it doesn't look great, obviously with something sticking out the back like that, let's be brutally honest, but we'll try it with the USB-C port in as well. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to press record on this, walk out the room, which you're going to see in a second, and then I'm going to talk in the other room. So press record on that. So I'm now in another room in the house, and you should be able to hear me clear as day. So I'm hoping that worked. So we'll proof's in the pudding when we watch this back. So I had to take the wind vane off because my index finger, I'm having a right old shake. So we'll plop that in there. So that's now in the USB-C port. We'll just double check the settings, make sure that's all good. Go back to mods again. Media mod, standard mic. Oh, I don't know if that's going to work, you know. Is that still on? Yeah. So it's not giving me the option there. So, do you know what? We'll try it the other way around actually. Try it that way around, see if that works. You never know. You never know. No, it's not. So the USB-C port on this specific mic adapter doesn't seem to work. So you'll know what I mean. If I take this out again, close that, open that up and put it in via the stereo. Yeah, see, straight away line in. That's interesting. There you go. That's see, this is why we do these videos. Standard mic, which is currently the mic on top of the media mod. There it is, it's in there, USB-C, and it's not done it. Standard mic. So what I'm going to do, we'll come off that. Now I'm pretty sure I know what the scenario is going to be with this. I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did a second ago. I'm going to press record on here, go out of the room, test it again. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work. So let's give that a try. So press record. So I'm not too sure. If that worked or not. So I'm pretty sure that last little voiceover bit there didn't work. So it only works with the adapter that I've got, and I've got the Kinmazi wireless lavalier microphone set up. I don't know if anyone's got that type. Brilliant mics, used them before. But yeah, that's my setup with the wireless mic. I have got some other bits and bobs which I'm going to show you in another video coming soon, that has got another mic. Can't wait to get that out on some wild camps and that. So yeah, look forward to showing you that. I'm not going to show you it now, but yeah, well buzzing. So yeah, that is the media mod for my GoPro. I am really looking forward to getting out and actually using this. I wish, let's turn it off. I wish I had this on my last wild camp, but I can't blame the missus for keeping it for Christmas because it was a Christmas present. I suppose the only bugbear slightly, and I mean this is being very, very picky, is that when you need to change the battery, obviously it's the same sort of scenario with, I mean that's spring activated, so that's a good thing. That I didn't even realize that. I didn't even know that. But yeah, is that you have to take the GoPro out of the media mod and then change your battery. Whereas obviously without the media pod, you just lift the case, pull the battery out, put a new one in, job done. But with this, obviously you've got to pull this out, change the battery, and then very carefully slot it back in again. Make sure it's connected with a little squeeze. Don't forget the little squeeze, and then lock it back into place. Another little obviously feature that it obviously should have is that you can obviously pull the toggles down for when you put it on a selfie stick or whatever. And I believe that is it for this media mod. You know, short and sweet video, not gonna lie to you, but I just wanted to show this off. And if you've got a GoPro between 9 and 13, then obviously if you want, get yourself involved, get one of these media mods. I'll put all the details on in the description, like price and whatnot, all the features that I've just gone through, just in case I've missed a few off. I don't think I have, but still, just in case. But yeah, GoPro media mod. Highly recommend you look into it, or get yourself one. Even if you're not going to use it and you've got other bits and bobs, if you're not going to use it as often, it's a handy bit of kit to have just in case. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned because there are going to be a few more videos popping up in the next few weeks. If you haven't done already, please do hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, and if you've not done already, also I've got Instagram and TikTok, so same name as the YouTube channel. Get on them, give them a follow. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.